Alright everyone, how was your day? Now today we are going to introduction about the Kaggle, and if you want to learn machine learning or data science, you must know about Kaggle. Or if you know about no idea, I think you should need to know about this idea. Or if you already know about Kaggle, I think that video help you in depth some other knowledge that help you grow in Kaggle. So here is the Kaggle homepage. If you log in the Kaggle account, you find this is your homepage. Is your next tier. Okay, master. I go to master if I complete this, and there is a public activate, like how much day I active, and here my rank is a dataset rank, and here is my record, how much day I log in Kaggle every day. That is and here is something that you see like new and exciting feature, something. This one I think you should need to explore this. Okay, here is the competition side. I think this is most important in Kaggle is competition. If you come and competition every day or try to improve your knowledge or explore your knowledge with, that's make you help. Okay, so here I think you can, I already registered, you can register here. Okay, whatever, ignore this. Okay, now here is the different type of competition. Is a feature competition, is a community, or get started. I think you, if you are new in Kaggle, I think you come here and get started. Okay, select see all, come here and get started. I think you should first know about this. I think everyone choose first competition is like Titanic dataset, then housing price or another one, but I think this is two most famous. I think you work already using Titanic dataset, so I think you come here and feel free and explore this competition, this video, explore everything. I think okay, this video I think you should need to check. And how you can submit this, like a beginner friendly, everything is step by step. When I was joined this competition, when I first come in Kaggle, this was exploring for me. And here is the data set and test, okay, train, test and submission. Okay, here is the data set information, and is this the information I think you know already about this data set. Okay, and here your code. You can make a team or you can work alone, but I think you should need to work alone. And here is my, it's not about the competition, is this storytelling, like something I want to show you. And here is the leaderboard. You can check your leaderboard, and here is the submission. Like I already submit one time after 6 months ago, because of I just created storytelling like that way. That's why I'm not into. And this is the house pricing, the house price prediction system. Okay, this two I think you should need to start first. Okay, exploring that. And here is the data set. If you want to data and want to train new model, I think that is the best. Open source community people upload their data day by day, I say. And tending data set. Here is the tending and feature data set. I think you can choose university and college dataset. And here the people dataset is trending, and people upvote, and selfie ID. Wow, this is the big dataset. Okay, here the model. I think there is our competition Titanic. It's like it's storytelling. I just try to make it funny, and as a beginner people, they are not feel boring, like top notch effort. See trend. Okay, because why I do that, because I just try to explore this. Okay, thank for this comment. Okay, there is the image. Our data says here is a Jack and a Rose. I just try to create a story about how is you, like a story mode. What is this panda is like this outlook and story, and it's story time. Like you learn something like a story, and you feel you're not learning, you feel you are reading story. And that way I make this like full notebook. I think you should love this notebook if when you come and see this. I think you like that. Okay, whatever. Go and Kaggle explore. This is the model. You can explore this model in Kaggle, like a Google Colab you use. Okay, wherever. Benchmark. Here is you can see which models get and not, and benchmark. You can explore here, and this was the game chess game, and you can see which model was won after the chess game. Where is this? Okay, I saw this match. It's lovely for me. It was a match, and here the code trending and discussion. This is discussion is like my favorite topic, and here you can discuss anything like a question answer or general. You can here like a question answer. You can question or answer people question. Oh, sorry, this not sorry. Okay, here is a question and answer. People ask question, you give answer, or you give answer to people, and that's where you can learn something more better. I think that just help you. And here is the general. So I explore that and learning. But if you want to learn in Kaggle, that's good. That good course. I think you can learn. I just complete this Python course or nothing much. So if you want to complete, then you can. I just try to finish it, but maybe I finish it after. Maybe I just explore. Okay, here the more is the block side, and here's a Kaggle block, writing Kaggle team. Here the Kaggle ranking is my progress is ranking, Kaggle ranking system, and documentation, and the host and competition. If you want a competition, host that way, and educator research. Okay, and support and content and community guide team. Okay, here there's this Kaggle, and that's just the explore the Kaggle. I think Kaggle is a good, so you can explore. I also share my Kaggle portfolio link, Kaggle icon link, and here my competition. If you want to join with me, come with me, and here my dataset. Okay, come explore my Kaggle profile or anything else. Goodbye, see you tomorrow in another video.